Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits. Today I want to do a bit of a teardown and have a look at what is inside of this Cookie Monster, who is full of Play-Doh I just discovered. I was wondering where that Christmas Play-Doh went. Yeah. So it should be said here that this Cookie Monster robot has had a very good life, and the kids have let it go. So I want to take a look at it. I want to take a look inside of it and see the robotics within it. I find that stuff to be very, very fascinating. If there are any children watching, I want you to know that this is not actually the real Cookie Monster or a stuffy of it. This is a robot inside of a fursuit. I'm going to take the fursuit off and see what kind of cool stuff we got on the inside of it. So let's take a look. Now, the assembly of this Cookie Monster seems to be about the same as any Furby. You can get it off by, well, taking care of this band or just cutting from around the base. It looks like we have a movement to make it go back and forth. Just a little more often and see. Definitely it's a very hard shell, and it looks like we have a sensor in one of the feet. And that's what those cables are running off to. Okay, so I got much of the fluff taken off, and as we can see, we got one main unit tilting back and forth, the speaker up front, the back is where we receive the cookies, and the front is where we put the cookies in. So, let's turn this on. I had to really file down the pickups there, and see what he does. So this button was in his foot.
Okay, let's count some cookies. Oh boy, now that giggles. Yeah. Okay, let's see, where were we? Oh boy, now that giggles. Yeah. Okay, let's see, where were we? Oh boy, now that giggles.
It's interesting how this thing is so... It's interesting how perfectly balanced this unit is, and while it can send itself back and forth, it never really knocks... It never really knocks itself over, so there's a lot to be said about that. If you look down his trap, I'm not seeing what would trigger a cookie. Oh, he's gone to sleep. Okay, I was wrong. It's just that tab in the back. If you trigger that tab, he thinks he's eating something. So it looks like spare cookies could easily be made. As long as it's enough to trigger that thing in the back of his throat, then he believes that he is eating. Ah! Yeah, it's a great place to put my paintbrushes. Gee, this guy makes a pretty good paintbrush holder. He's not so sure about it. Yeah, he's not so... I don't think he likes this, maybe. Alright, so this unit is definitely very well made. You get a big speaker here, but the front panel was also a bit of a resignation chamber, so it was supposed to make it much louder. Now that we have it out, okay, now it's louder. You definitely need the box in order to make it work better. So, as we can see on the inside here, we got the unit at the bottom that tilts us back and forth. That's what this is. And then the mouth is controlled by an arm that comes down here and hooks in right there. Unfortunately, after I got it in, there was some kind of a balance somewhere, some kind of an equilibrium that I can't get working again. And I should keep trying, maybe. So one truly interesting thing about this is there's not much circuit board to it. There's all balance. We got this main balance unit in here, rotating them back and forth, and then we got one little circuit board in there. One second, I think I'm gonna have to actually just move the camera in order to see that one. Yeah, very basic. Very cool though. I love the robotics that go into these toys. Next time I get one, maybe I'll be able to get it out perfectly. Definitely had a bit of a hard time this round. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Ned from Nez Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other.